Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start immediately by preparing the surface and tools. Put on gloves and a mask, and ventilate the space so fumes disperse. Clean the area thoroughly, removing grease and dust, then let it dry. Shake the Glaz bottle vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes so the formula blends. Make a small test patch to confirm coverage and compatibility. Once the test looks good, position yourself and hold the bottle steady for a uniform first pass. You now apply the product using a controlled, steady motion. Hold the bottle about 20 to 30 centimeters from the surface and move continuously to create an even mist. Pausing causes runs. Make thin passes with about 50% overlap so each area gets consistent coverage without soaking. Once a pass is done, wait 5 to 10 minutes to tack up before a second light coat. Make sure to check edges for pooling and wipe excess. You finish by letting the applied coats cure properly and by tidying up. Allow about 24 hours for full water repellency to develop. Avoid heavy exposure during that time. Clean the nozzle and cap to prevent clogging and store the bottle upright in a cool place. If you don't see beading or water resistance, make sure the surface was fully clean and dry, then reapply after a fresh test patch. This fixes contamination or undercoverage issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.